Okay, hello everybody, Prodigy plays Minecraft here, and I'm back with episode 5, I believe. I'm not too sure, but I believe it is 5, and this is our Let's Play series. And today I have a sign for the wall of shoutouts, and we finally got a name for the dog, as you might have saw from the title of the video. But if you didn't see, basically we got a name for the dog now, and it is Stan. Yeah, we're gonna call the dog Stan. Don't know if you guys like it. I do. We had another suggestion which was Dusty. I liked it, but I sort of like Stan a bit more. I think it's more original, and yeah. So let's just I was gonna call him Dusty, but oh well. Let's call him Stan. Come on, let's do this. Okay, Stan. Stan. Okay, there we go. There's Stan. And then that suggestion was off. Let's go down here. Yeah, that suggestion was off the crafting pig. Let's just put okay, I don't know his Xbox Live gamer tag, so I'll just put the crafting. I don't know if I can fit this on here. Hopefully I can. But yeah, guys, welcome back, and yeah, so the crafting pig. So yeah, thank you if you're watching this crafting pig. Thank you for the dog name. I appreciate it. And yeah, guys. So what we're gonna be doing this episode was highly suggested actually. We're gonna go back and out and mine. But first, what I want to do is, what was I gonna do now? Okay. Yeah, I wanted to make some armor, and yes, let's just do that. Okay, which one should I make? I'm gonna make some boots. So there we go, guys. We've got a bit of armor out, and we're not gonna take Stan with us just yet on mining trips, because I'm not too confident to take him on a mining trip or any sort of trip on that note, because I had a feeling that he might die, because that has happened lots in the past with me and dogs. But anyway, I think that's there we go. Sorry if it was lagging for you then. Sorry about that. But yeah, in the past, dogs have died quite a lot when I took them onto mining trips with me. So I won't be doing that until future. So anyway, we might even get more dogs in the future. So yes, let's just kill a load of these animals. There's loads of them. This is so good. Okay, come on, let's kick all of this. Come on. Yeah, guys. Let's just come on. Last one. Okay, we've got some good XP from that. I don't really want that leather. It's not really gonna come in use at any point. But yeah. Okay, anyway, so let's go down here. Is that another? It's another wolf. Are you being serious? Do I have any bones left at the house? No, you know what? I'm gonna save that till future. I don't want to get another dog straight away. Come on. I do remember this cave. I remember going straight down that way. So I'm gonna go over this way, and I need more torches already. So let's just mine this. So yeah, guys, I've got this fort out. Next episode, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to start on the farm. Now, this is up to you guys. Put in the comments if you want me to make a mob farm, like, you know, pigs, a pig farm, stuff like that, or if you don't want me to just make a food farm, because really I want to make a, you know, like a pig farm, so, because it's just going to give me more food. I mean, we could do a wheat one, but I just feel like, you know, because we can cook the food, so, you know. Oh, that really didn't take us anywhere at all. Wow. Yeah, so just put in the comments. And yes, so let's go down here. We never got that iron. I don't know if we ever came down here. I'm not too sure. Wait. Oh, I remember this on the first episode. I'm sure I can. But let's just mine this iron out. Don't worry, we'll go back up to get that iron. But yeah, I remember this. I said, you know, I'm not going inside that mine yet. But let's just get this. Yeah. Okay, so let's go over here. Okay, nothing in there yet. Also, guys, I just want to say, I will explain this in an update video after, but I've nearly hit 25 subs in a couple of days, which is, I'm going to admit, which is pretty mad, and if that carries on over the next few weeks, we're going to get a good amount of subs, but I'm going to do a special for 25 subs. It's not a big number, but for me, in a couple of days, that is great, but that'll all be explained, and yeah. And, okay. No. Oh no, creeper. Actually, we need the gunpowder, I think. Come on, come on, come on! No, 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 no! I don't want them to blow up. I don't want them to blow up. That's one down. That's one down. Don't blow up. Yes, yes. There we go. Okay, we got the gunpowder. Wow, wow. That. I'm ashamed. But anyway, you know what I'm gonna do, guys? I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I'm gonna start strip mining here. Yeah, I'm gonna start strip mining here for the rest of the episode. And yeah, so we're gonna get a bit deeper. Let's get near bedrock because near bedrock level, there are diamonds. I know that there are because in one of my old series, which I deleted off YouTube, we found so many diamonds. I mean, I think we found around 20 or 25 near bedrock. So yes, I don't know if you saw that. I don't know, but anyway, let's go down here. Oh, I can hear zombies. Oh, wow, so much coal. And I can hear them in this way. Oh, if there's a mob spawner over there. Okay, there might be a mob spawner nearby because I can only hear zombies and none other mobs. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, strip mining really is good these days. I mean, the Xbox is really good. I don't know why, but I tried strip mine on PC. It isn't really that good. But anyway, I think it's over this way. Is there a mob spawner? There's got to be. Let's keep going over this way. See if we can find one. Is it above us? Okay, let's go up here. Okay, I know it's somewhere near us. I mean, we could use the gunpowder to make some TNT if we had enough. But can't really think of us doing that. Not at the moment, anyway. Yeah, I will. Oh wait. Oh no, it just leads back into there. I'm actually going to end this episode here. We've got a nice little strip mine going on here. Yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. It's been an okay episode. So let's just actually, you know what? Let me just mine this coal and then we'll end the episode. So let's just mine this quickly. Come on. There's a big vein here. Okay, this is gonna take a long time. But anyway, guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this episode of my Let's Play series. I really hope you have enjoyed it. And if you have, drop a like. That would be awesome. Let me know you appreciate my content. Also, subscribe for videos daily. And yeah, guys. So if you have enjoyed this, just leave a like I said, and I'll see you next time, guys, and goodbye.